Good afternoon, students. In today's class, we'll be concentrating on difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Also, the second point, estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. In the last class, I gave you an introduction on Indian system of numeration. Today, we'll be going in detail. So for writing the new numbers, we have two systems of numeration. One is Indian system of numeration and the other one is international system of numeration. First one is Indian system of numeration, that is used in India. In Indian system of numeration, there are 4 periods. In Indian system of numeration, there are 4 periods. Which are they? Crores, lakhs, thousands, units. In Indian system of numeration, there are 4 periods: crores, lakhs, thousands, units. Again, these periods are divided into places. So units are divided into ones place, tens place, hundred place. Thousands divided into 1000 and 10,000 place. Lakhs divided into lakhs and 10,000 place. Crores divided into crores and 10 crores. So we have a number here. I have taken a number here. We have to write and read this number according to Indian system of numeration. Here we have a number. We have to write and read in this number according to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. So first we have to enter this number in this table. First, the 3 digits. We'll start from right of this number, that is 2, 6, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 8. 8 comes under crores. So, before that, we have to separate this number using comma. First, we have to separate, insert comma after 3 digit. Then after 5 digit. Then after 7 digit. So, how can we read this? This 8 is under crore and 75 is under period of lakhs. 95 is under period of thousands. 762 is under units. So, how are we going to read this? 8 crore, 75 lakh, 95,762. Next, we will go to international system of numeration. Here also there are periods and places. Which are the periods here? Billions, millions, thousands, units. Here no lakhs and crores. Instead of that, millions, billions, and here 100,000. These periods again divided into places. So billions are divided into billions, 10 billion, 100 billion. Millions are divided into million, 10 million, 100 million. Thousands are again subdivided into 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Units, ones, tens, hundreds. So we have here this number. So you have to enter this number here first. Here it is 2, then 9, 0, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 8, 7. So 7 comes under millions, 10 million. 10 million. 7 comes under 10 million. Then 9 comes under 100,000. This is the difference. Here are no lakhs. Thousands, in this thousands division there are 1000, 10,000, 100,000. But in a Indian system of numeration, thousands we have only 1000 and 10,000. There are not 100,000. Instead of that there is lakh and crores. But in the international system of numeration, lakhs replaced by 100,000 and crores are replaced by millions. Okay. So here this number we have to, since we are going to write this number according to international system of numeration, we have to separate this number with commas after every 3 digit. After every 3 digit insert a comma. Okay. So here 78 comes under million. So 78 million. Next 921. This comes under thousands. That is 921,092. 921,092. This is the way we have to read the number in according to international system of numeration. I will repeat once again. So in international system of numeration there are no lakhs and crores. Instead of that there are 100,000, millions and billions. And the number we have to separate with commas after every 3 digit. In Indian system, first after 3 digit, then after 5 digit, then after 7 digit. That is first only after 3 digit. Then after every 2 digit we are inserting comma. But in international system of numeration, after every 3 digit we have to insert the comma. Because each periods are having 3 subdivisions. 3 subdivisions. Here also 3 subdivisions. So we have to separate this number into 3 subdivisions. 3 commas. So see once again here, 78,921,092. Again it is repeated here. The first 3 places from the right are in the ones period. The next 3 places are in the thousands period. The next 3 places are in the millions period. So to make it more clear, ones. This is international place value chart. This is Indian place value chart. Ones are same, thousands are same, but here 100,000 is here instead of lakh. Crores are replaced here by millions. How many thousands make a lakh? 100. How many tens make a lakh? 10,000. How many lakhs make a crore? 100. How many lakhs make a million? 10. How many millions make a crore? 10. How many hundreds make a lakh? 1000. Understanding the place value chart, you will be able to find out this. Next, estimating to the nearest 10. Next topic is estimating to the nearest 10. What do you mean by nearest 10? Nearest 10 is nothing but nearest multiples of 10. Which are the nearest multiples of 10? Which are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. It goes like that. Here we have taken this number from beginning from 38 to 53. And here we have taken a number 41. So 41 is closer to which number? 40 or 50? Yes, 41 is closer to 40. So the nearest 10 to 41 is 40. Next we will consider this 47. 47 is closer to 40 or 50? Yes, 47 is closer to 50. So the nearest 10 to 47 is 50. Next, consider another number, 42. 42 is closer to 40 or 50? Yes, 42 is closer to 40. So, the nearest 10 to 42 is 40. The nearest 10 to 48 is 50. The nearest 10 to 46 is 50. Now, what about this 45, middle one? Middle 45 is equidistant from 40 and 50. But we consider, so the nearest 10 to 45 is 40 or 50? 45 is, we always take it as nearest to 50, nearest to the highest number. Okay, since it is 5 comes 45, there is 5, so it is, we consider them as closer to nearest to 50. So, estimate the given numbers by rounding off to the nearest 10. Here we have some exercise 12. We are taking 12. 12 is nearest to which number? 10. Nearest 10 for this 12 is 10. Nearest 10 of 89 is 90. Nearest 10 for this 225 is 230. If it was 224, we would have taken 220 as nearest 10 to this 224. Next, estimate the given numbers by rounding off to the nearest 10. 3 we did already. Next, 428, a little more higher number we will take, 428. The nearest 10 to 428 is 430. The nearest 10 for this number 5686 is 5690, 86. So it is nearest 10 to this 86 is 90. So this we already explained. This is your exercise and solution is given here. Where you should enter, separate this number by comma. After every 3 digit. After every 3 digit you have to insert the comma. Here after 2, here after 4. In second, here after 1, then after 9. Here also after 8, then after 0. So this is the way you have to separate this number with a comma. Then you have to read according to International System of Numeration. See here, 78 million 921,092. 7,452,283. 99,985,102. 48,049,831. So this is the class of today. If you have any doubt, you can ask.